Photosynthesis rap dog.
Photosynthesis is the process plants use to make oxygen and glucose from sunlight, water, and CO2. And that is just the nature of biology, folks.
Light reactions, go. It's the first part of photosynthesis we're talking about, yo. Where the water and the sunlight make some oxygen, that's tight. And the energy from the light splits the water, yeah, that's right. Chloroplast, it is the organelle. We're in the thylakoid, surrounded by the stroma. That's where the light's absorbed. In photosystem 2, oxygen gives up its electrons to go down that transport chain. Photosynthesis is the energy of life. We call them photoautotrophs because they feed themselves with sunlight. Plants look green to us, that's the light that they reflect back. It's a redox reaction that's full of chemical action. Water's oxidized on the front lines, becoming 6O2. Then glucose is synthesized from reducing CO2. We do 2 revolutions of the Calvin cycle. At the end of the ETC, we're now at photosystem 1. The chlorophyll takes in those rays, they just be working all day. Nicotinamine, adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Be asking those electrons, are you lost, mate? We take the NADP plus and reduce to NADPH. Hold up, we didn't forget what's going on in the thylakoid space. We just needed more protons to power ATP synthase. Through photophosphorylation, we just made ATP. Now we're heading over to the Calvin cycle just as fast as 1, 2, 3. Photosynthesis, it's the energy of life. We call them photoautotrophs because they feed themselves with sunlight. Plants look green to us, that's the light that they reflect back. It's a redox reaction that's full of chemical action. Water's oxidized on the front lines, becoming 6O2. Then glucose is synthesized from reducing CO2. You know what, man? That's enough of light reactions. Let's go head over to the Calvin cycle real quick. Calvin cycle, it's where the glucose is made. It's the energy of life.
As we mentioned earlier, we need to complete 2 revolutions of the Calvin cycle to make 1 glucose. It is also known as the light-independent reaction of photosynthesis. It only takes 4 simple steps: carbon fixation, reduction, release of 1G3P, and regeneration of RuBP.
Yeah, stroma, it's where we at now. Carbon fixation, yeah, we making 6,3-PGA. And it's true that when we reduce that, we get an output of what? G3P, yeah, that's the release, now it's free. It's gonna make some glucose, oops, we're gonna need 2 of those. But once it makes a glucose, we're gonna regen the ribulose, biphosphate that is. We're left with 5G3P, and it's pretty obvious, we're gonna need 3 more ATP.
The energy from the sun makes all life possible, and it's the responsibility of photoautotrophic plants and organisms to supply the world with sweet, sweet glucose. And most importantly, oxygen.